My goal is to get crazy. All of please. Yes. Pretty sure someone just got shot. I don't like it. Oh God. Okay. Oh no. Oh God. There's. Oh my God. There he is. Or there I am. Yeah. Get him. Dude, this is an actual hard one. Look, he's almost dead too. Is that gonna work? I think they're two. Oh, well, guys, that was pretty nice. Being. So, that's why they had that. I see. Come on. Whatever. Oh no, I'm gonna be late. You let me go this far. I will. Wow, auto. The baby car race, if you say so.
Last place? Cause I don't like that too much. Oh shit! Oh my fuck! What?
Like. Let's find some people who can relate, who also got banned. Oh! Alright. Oh, right there. That's probably possible to, like, wall jump around. I'm scared. Well, he's not so bad. Here. AKA, Spleef, I think. Wait, I have to. This is made by my friend. This is made by Janny. Give me the gun. But he was like, that way. Does it make that noise? That's scary. I want, what's the price? For good luck. I really gotta lock into this next one. Hey guys, absolutely nothing in life. It's Bax's idea. But we must keep going. No, go forest. We couldn't get to you, Buster. To be continued. Play. You are correct, Bat. Oh, don't grieve people. To your own hands. I'm going. I can't believe you did that.
We did a little troll.
Ow! Stop that noise! Alright, so I know Pete today. Mama! Anyone? I guess you're right. Wow. Save. Oh wait, wait, we're good. We're doing incredible. Every single time. Viewers. I don't care if you're. No, I wasn't expecting that to actually work.
This part, yeah, but we're back to Albert.
What do I do? Oh wait, I gotta go. Piggy? Do next time. Alright, brothers. Give me things. Hide and seek. Why? No, don't do it. Well, there's the skin. Don't do it. You the real world gamer?